Hey guys, I got my first accessory for the new Tundra in. I'm gonna install that today. I got the device mount kit from RAGO that mounts in the top of the dash. It's got a 12 volt USB outlet that wires up to the factory 12 volt that's in the dash. And it's got a bunch of mounting points on it so you can mount the 1-inch balls or whatever you got. I use the 1-inch round balls for all my stuff. Different configurations, kind of cool. All right, this should be easy. Let's see how it goes. All right, the first thing I got to do is pop out that factory tray. Just going to use a panel tool. It should pop out pretty easy. Yep, that was easy. And then I got to disconnect that 12 volt outlet so I can tap into that. Let's move to the next step. All right, next step, take out the rubber liner that's in here. I already threw that to the side. Line up the bracket. It's notched out around the 12 volt, so you can only put it in one direction, so you can't really get it backwards. Mark the holes and drill them, but don't drill through your bed or your table or your desk, whatever you're using. All right, holes are drilled. Gonna throw the bracket in. Throw the bracket in and bolt it up. All right, bracket's mounted up. I drilled an extra hole right here. The only thing they don't give you is something to wire the 12 volt plug. So I've got a disconnect here. I'm going to set it up as a quick disconnect, wire this side to the 12 volt outlet, run it through the hole, have the disconnect on the bottom so I can pop it out whenever I want. Just disconnect it if I need to. All right, I'm back in the truck. Got it all put together. Got the USB mounted, got the pigtail connected, got the disconnect connector right there. All I got to do now is pull up the factory wire, tap off that disconnect, plug it in and snap it all back together. All right, I got the pigtail connected, pop back in the dash, 2 1-inch balls mounted on it, phone mount. I'm not gonna mount the phone here, I just did that so you could see it. 12 volt outlet will light up when it's got power. See that? That's it. Fits in there pretty good. All right, thanks for watching.